And the next is moment at face of column 2. Ganon din. So at bigger end, ang counterclockwise natin would be PU1. Ang kanyang lever arm would be X4 minus C1 all over 2. But what is X4? Okay? Ang X4 is simply equal to L minus C3. And then, ang next is yung magkokos naman ng clockwise rotation, which is itong rectangle. Yan. Ang dimension niyang rectangle na yan, its height would be Q2 minus Y4. Okay? Ayan. Tapos, ang kanyang length would be X4. Ang lever arm niya, X4 all over 2. And finally, yung larger triangle would be this. At syempre, ang kanyang dimension ay X4 pa rin. And then the height is Y4. And then the area X4, Y4 divided by 2. Tapos ang lever arm niya would be 2/3 times X4. Now the question is, how do we solve for Y4? Okay? So, ito yon. By ratio and proportion again, Q2 minus Q1 times X4 divided by L. And then, sa smaller end naman, ang magkokos ng clockwise moment would be PU2. The lever arm is C3 all over 2. Take note na nag-cut tayo ng section dyan. So, ang forces dito yung PU2 tsaka yung polygon sa baba. And then, yung lever arm ni PU2 is C3 all over 2. Next would be the rectangle. Ito. Magkokos yan ng counterclockwise moment. Its area is Q1 times C3. And then the lever arm is C3 all over 2. Next, that will cause counterclockwise moment would be the small triangle. Its dimension is Y5 tsaka C3. Okay? Ngayon, how do we solve for Y5? Y5 is simply equal to Q2 minus Q1 minus Y4. Okay? So, ang area niyang small triangle na yan would be Y5, yung height niyan, Y5 times C3 divided by 2, and its lever arm is C3 divided by 3. And then you get the maximum moment among these two, and you get your design moments. This time, pangatlong investigation na natin ng top bars. So, yung first investigation natin nandun sa face ng column 1. Second investigation is at 0 shear. And then third investigation dito na sa face of column 2. So, ang SRB natin dito would be ito, yung B. Ang number of pieces natin would be ito pa rin, 9 or NT, tsaka bars natin would be DBT. Kaya ang AS would still be 1809. Pare-parehas lang sila. Ayan, 1809 pa rin. Now, how do we solve for dimension B? So, dito, kailangan natin yung small triangle. Ang kasama niyang dimension is C3. Okay, so, Y3 or Y would be equal to C3 times the quantity B2 minus B1 all over L. Y is equal to C3 times the quantity B2 minus B1 divided by 2 divided by L. And then from there, you can now compute your B dimension, which is equal to B1 plus y sa taas, y sa baba. Kaya naging 2y yan. And then, you proceed to checking of bars using the general equations again.